In this TaxSlayer Pro training video, we'll go over the steps involved in setting up the TaxesToGo mobile app for use. Inside of your account hub, you are now able to customize your TaxesToGo mobile app by adding your company name, selecting a color theme, and optionally adding a logo. If you've purchased TaxSlayer Pro Premium or Pro Web, on the left side of your account hub, you'll have the link to the TaxesToGo customization page on the left bar of your screen. Click that link to go to your customization page. Enter the profile name. This is the company name that your customers will see when they view the app on their mobile devices. Next, you can select a color theme. After selecting the color theme, you'll have the option to upload a logo. This must be a .png file. There are many options available online or on mobile apps to create a logo if you don't have one. And remember, this step is completely optional. Once you click Save, your customized referral link will appear. You can also preview what your customers will see on their mobile devices by clicking the Preview button. So, to review the steps we just covered, inside of your account hub, click on the TaxesToGo link in your account hub, add your company name, select a color theme, and add a logo if desired. Next, copy the referral link made just for your tax office app from the TaxesToGo page in your account hub. This link is unique to your EFIN. If you have a multi-office setup, you may go into your location manager and repeat these steps for each EFIN. Each EFIN will have its own unique URL so that the app-initiated returns will be sent to the proper EFIN and office. Use it to promote your app to your customers and your prospective customers via email, text messaging, or post the link on your website or social media site. We want to thank you for watching this TaxSlayer Pro tutorial video setting up the TaxesToGo app for use.